Good morning, everyone. This is meteorologist Ted Keller with your weather update. Rain continues to be the main focus, and again, the main heaviest flooding rains have been northeast of Springfield and a little bit northeast of where it was at its worst yesterday in Waynesville. Here's the latest radar loop, and you can see a band of heavy thunderstorms has flown through Texas and Howell County on into Shannon and Oregon. That still may be borderline severe, although there's no current warning in effect being recorded here about 7:17 this morning. You can obviously see where the heavy rain is and where the flash flooded warnings are. Basically, all the counties northeast of Springfield are under flash flood warnings. In particular, the hardest hit areas today and earlier this morning were up around Newburgh with the Little Piney River. Forecast to crest at about 18 feet, about 15 here this morning at the time of this recording. So bad news. And I want to also emphasize that I think that this area of southern Missouri here over the next couple of hours. We'll probably see a slight expansion in the rain here. And again, they haven't been as hard hit, but the ground is saturated in about most areas, so flash flooding is a concern everywhere. Here's the rain projection for the next 3 days, 2 to 2.5 inches from Springfield north. If that shifts just a little, it'll put Springfield in the heavier rain zone. If it doesn't shift, it'll mean the worst possible scenario for areas, again, that I've outlined up around Phelps and Pulaski County, Marys County, all these areas that have been hard hit are in the projection to get the most rain over the next 3 days. It's muggy out there, very damp, high humidity, temperature 72 degrees in Springfield, 78 in Harrison. I'm expecting things to break up a little bit later this afternoon, and a high of 87 is anticipated. The temperatures, though, are going to remain very cool for this time of year with all the showers and thunderstorms on a weak front. I expect highs at best only in the upper 80s, mostly in the mid or even lower 80s as we head into the weekend.